Yo, what's up, everybody? It's another day in Poland. I'm with my parents, spending some time with them, driving around the area where I'm coming from. This is the Nogat River, and behind me is the Wisła River, which is Vistula River. This little fossa, I think it's kinda like a fortress. Long time ago, it was fortress. This one was actually border with three different countries. Long time ago, during the different eras. Obviously, the history here is more than 1,000 years old. So I'm gonna show you actually a little bit around today, little bit different, totally different vibes, just slowly, little bit of the nature, rivers, lakes, forests, landscapes, no big cities. I don't know actually why many of you guys skipped yesterday's video from Wrocław. I made in 3 days 1,500 kilometers, but guys, you are not interested anymore. But it's okay, this is exactly what I was expecting actually. Either way, I still gonna making the videos, and in next few days I'm going to Canada. So either way, you will watch it or not, but gonna show you today a little bit of the stuff here, but also a lot of people was really happy and impressed what I showed you in the big cities, so I really appreciate that. That's the already information. What is it? It's called Pętla Żuławska actually. So we are here. This is actually the chorus of the rivers. You can go up to Gdańsk. There is the Marburg, where I also filmed the castle, and basically that's the fortress. Very cozy. Overall, you can take a boat and moving around the rivers. That's like a road for the boats. Some people coming here for fishing. There are some boats. Some people have a few boats, and basically that's how it is. Also, all of this stuff here is very old. There's even a sign 1852 on the other one, like this one. That's also one of the obelisks here. Obelisk. Don't wanna mess up the names for the 90-year anniversary of independence, Bóg, honor, ojczyzna. So a lot of historical things as expectable. And basically where my dad is going, there is the Nogat River, there is the Wisła River. Also would like to show you a little bit of this old road here. This is like, you know, everywhere across the country you can find something. Not recommended to drive a car here, especially not like a sedan one I got from the rental, but yeah, this one is cool. Very old, historical. Let's see the Wisła River. So that's the Nogat River, that's where we started, and that's the Wisła River. Also, just would like to notice, as you can see, a lot of like beaches basically. There's somebody even come by the car or Malex or something, and they fishing. The level of the rivers is very low recently. Basically you can see the signs. Where was the swan, where was the water. Basically here where we standing right now is supposed to be a water, so it's like a minus 1.5 meter or something like that, but soon will be big again. And you can see the current is actually very strong. So this is the Wisła River. Actually, that's the fisherman. Normally there everywhere supposed to be a water, but it's like this one. And also here is somebody came with the camper van, they fishing and everything. So basically you can enjoy. Overall, maybe not much, but it's so quiet. If you're looking for nature like this one, here we go. There's nothing is going on. Here where we are walking right now, that's the, you know, protective wall to become the flood, because here normally where we are walking, when it's spring and all the snow is melting, it could be a water. So they make it like this one, but now it's very dry. Now when is the season, you can come here and the boats come rent something. There is the fortress from the bottom, but like this one, like a little bench and everything. Overall, I just wanted to say this is very quiet. You can literally hear the sound of silence here. Oh, you could have a fireplace here. Oh, there's the kitchen actually, and everything fully equipped. So you could take a picnic, for example, and everything. But of course, it's the off season, right? So people only coming for fishing now. The guy is fishing, and this is on the bottom, 1852, as I said. So the boats can cross and used to cross as well during the era. And now basically the kids and the family is coming and fishing. Just the problem is a lot of mosquitoes here. but overall this is it. And there is the little bit of the windmill. This one looks a little bit like in Holland, actually, in Netherlands, isn't it? That's the statues of the horses who are originally coming from this region. My mama just don't come there. My parents used to have the horses long time ago, that's why they really like it, but when they were younger. And that's the special type of the horses called koń sztumski, like this one. There's sign also. There is the fossa, old town, everywhere is brick, park, small, very small, tiny town, maybe 10,000 people, 15,000 people living here, but nice. People walking with their dogs. You can sit by the river like my dad is sitting actually right now. And overall that's a little town, very little town, very, very quiet. Totally opposite what we have, what I used to show you in Asia. You will never see like this one, empty street. There will be millions of motorbikes, loud bikes and everything, but here is just like this one. And that's the river. We have a docks next to river, view of the river. It's already actually dark, it's gonna be night soon. Somebody had a boat here from the little place. You can go, some kayaks. That's basically the vibe, European vibe, but outside the city. That's the little town. We are going to look for the ice cream somewhere there, but overall very, very, I don't know if say quiet or cozy. You can let me know. Oh, somebody enjoy the beverage here. And there is the church. Of course must be somewhere a church. It cannot be different. Must be church somewhere. Got our ice cream. I got chocolate mascarpone. My mama have a mascarpone and my papa tired already, waiting in the car. Have chocolate because we like chocolate ice cream in general. My brother also likes chocolate ice cream. In our family mostly we like chocolate ice cream. That's the little town. It's called Stum. Ice creams are nice. That's the roads. Very short video today. Little bit of the family time. Thanks so much. See you tomorrow on next one. As always.